we're working underneath the header, so we have the safety stand installed on the feeder house. And if you're gonna do any work underneath the header, make sure you have the safety latch installed. So first of all, we're gonna remove this plate, and there should be 8 plates where the sensors are gonna mount underneath the header. So we'll remove the bolts and the cover plate, like that. And then plug the harness in, plug that in up there, and then using the same bolts that we took out, install the sensor. So now we have our high stubble sensor installed, and we do have a cable that you can tie these back if you wish. And then this process will be repeated 8 times or 7 more times on the head for a total of 8 sensors. After we have our high stubble sensors installed, we need to change the harness back here on the back side of the head. So we'll pull this plug out, pull the cap off, and install the plug. And then we need to calibrate our sensors in the monitor.